Last word again. If you were to leave this world today, I want to find out, and you are supposed to just drop 3 sentences or 3 words to people who are left here. What is the word you would say to those people?
I'll disappoint you once again. I'll do 2 words.
Okay.
Die empty.
Okay.
Make sure you die empty. Don't die with that wealth buried underneath your bed. Die empty. Don't die without words, those inspirations inside of you. Make sure you give it out. Don't die without actualizing that dream you've always thought of in your head. Bring it to reality. Make sure you die empty. Don't go to the grave with the wisdom that you have without sharing it. Don't go to the grave without with all the wealth that you have amassed. Don't go to the grave. My 2 words, please die empty. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your time, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.